Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Control-D 104 all-in-one Steam Vaporizer. This particular box comes with three elements: facial sauna, a nasal inhaler and a steamer. The model number is 104. A lot of specifications are mentioned here. So instructions are also given, safety instructions like keep the unit straight, never leave unit unattended with kids, never plug in wet pins, always keep it dry and away from water, and don't pull wire to unplug machine, switch off and catch the plug and pull out. Model number is given as well, VP104, and that's about it. Weight, input voltage is 220 volts, weight is 450 grams, and tank capacity is 500 milliliter. Water boiling time 3 to 5 meters, and cord length is 1.5 meters. Once again, water boiling time is 3 to 5 minutes, cord length is 1.5 meters. I will open this box and show you what's inside. So there you go, these are the components of this box. We have a user manual. This is the important safety instructions, care and cleaning, storage precautions, everything that you want to know is given over here, including how to use and specifications as well. And this is a very important document. You should not lose this. Okay, I'm going to keep this over here. Now let's take a look at the components over here. So we have, what is this? Okay, there's a cover. There you go. We have a facial sauna. This is basically the sauna, and this is a nasal inhaler for when you want to inhale steam vapor directly to the nose. And this is the main unit. This is the actual, this is the device that will turn water into vapor. The capacity for this particular container, this is a steamer in fact, the capacity for the steamer is 500 milliliters. And on top you have this heating coils which will basically turn the water into vapor, and then to come out through either this facial sauna or this nasal inhaler. Additionally, there's a cap over here as well. You can put it like this, and once steam starts coming out, you'll know that you're ready to use this device. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Control-D 104 all-in-one Steam Vaporizer. Thank you for watching.